Hello everyone, welcome to this JavaScript series, and in this video we'll discuss about comments. So let's first discuss that what is a comment. So comment is a piece of JavaScript code that doesn't get executed and it is used as notes or setting some reminders. So let's go to the browser first. Now let's right click and go to inspect option. These are the Chrome developer tools, and now I will go to sources. These are the snippets that I will be using. Okay, so let's delete this code. And the first type of comment that I will be discussing is inline comment. So inline comment is a type of comment that is written in single line, and it can share the space with the actual code as well. Now in order to write an inline comment, I need to use these two slanting lines first, and after that I can write my inline comment. So I will be writing declaring a variable, and now I will be writing an actual code in the next line. So let's write variable a is equal to 9. And now you can see that I'm using this comment as a note that I'm declaring a variable. And there is a difference in color of the comment and the actual code. So this is how we differentiate between the both. And now in the next line, I will write console.log a to see that whether it works or not. So now let's press Ctrl plus enter in order to see what is the result. So you can see that 9 is printed, so it works. And now I will write the same code in the same line as that of the inline comment to see that whether it works or not. So let's write it and let's press Ctrl plus enter, and now you can see that 9 is printed, so it works. And the next type of comment that I will be discussing is multi-line comment, and we can use it by writing this expression. Now we write our multi-line comments inside this expression. So it is something like this. We are writing comments in multiple lines, and we are writing the comments inside this expression only. We cannot write our actual code inside this expression. Now if I want to write the same comment in inline way, so this is how we can do it. So if we want to write comments in multiple lines, so in that case multi-line comments is better. But if we want to write comment in just one line, then in that case inline comment is better. So it depends that when we want to use them. And now I can write my actual code outside this expression, like variable a is equal to 9. So now let's write console.log a to see that whether it works or not. Now let's press Ctrl plus enter, and you can see that the output is printed in console. So let's end this video here only. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, and thank you so much for watching.